welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. So as we get ready to slowly close out this amazing series, Love is a Work of Art, I want to take out the time to thank everybody that tuned in to each and every one of the videos. And I want to say thank you for helping me reach 130 plus subscribers. So shout out to y'all. I think I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm trying to figure it out because I also have some more great news coming up. And I'll tell you guys that. So make sure you stay posted. Give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying this series. Subscribe if you're new here. And turn on your notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. So you won't miss any of the news or any of the giveaways or anything that's going on with me as I do me. So let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. So I'm going to go ahead and do a photo shoot. So since it's Valentine's Day, I wanted to do a boutonniere photo shoot, just pajamas, you know, just the whole vibe, because why not? Like, so this is something that's like fun to me because I'm into photography and stuff. So I thought I'd take you guys along with me. I'm not sure if I'm recording my makeup look because it's basic. It's some of the other videos I've showed y'all, but I do want to like see y'all so y'all can see me get ready, set up the equipment and stuff I use. If you have any questions about it, go ahead and comment below. I'll be sure to put the links in the description bar of the equipment I use. If you don't know, I do use my phone. And I just want to take out this time to spread some love and some words of encouragement. If you think about starting a new YouTube channel or just being a content creator in general, I'm going to tell you one of the things that I'm overcoming, which is just getting on here and doing it. And for years, I felt like I didn't have enough equipment, so I made that and let that be the anchor of my excuse of not getting started. So I want to motivate you to just go ahead and start with your phone. I use my phone. That's why I love the clips and content that I want to give you guys. We kind of missed out on it. I don't get a chance to put it in here because of memory and because I felt like my quality wasn't good enough. I used to just make a whole bunch of excuses to not do it instead of just getting out there and putting myself out there and using what I got, because I do have some amazing things. They just wasn't, I guess, quote unquote, to my standards. But that's because of the boundaries and the pressure that I put on myself. So if you do that to yourself, or if you like that, stop it. Stop self-sabotaging. Stop making excuses, because you're never going to get started if you never make it to the standards that you feel that you should be at, because you got to start somewhere. Everybody got to start somewhere. So that's just me sharing some love and words of motivation to you guys. I want to start doing that because I want to help pour into you guys the way some of y'all pour into me, because we need that motivation, especially when you have family and friends. So shout out to the people that you do have in your circle that support you and motivate you. Love on them and let them know that you appreciate them being there for you. I'm going to stop rambling and go ahead and get ready for this photo shoot. So I don't know exactly how I'm doing this photo shoot. I'm just kind of winging it, but I do want to do a cute makeup look, not too much. I do have some lingerie I have got from Shein, so that's interesting. For all my women out there, especially our moms who have babies, I had 2 cesareans. If you did not know, I have 2 beautiful children, and I had 2 cesareans with them, and I went through a dramatic weight loss, especially dealing with my depression and stuff throughout the years. I gained a lot of weight. So I just feel like I'm getting my sexy back, I'm getting my body back together. I'm taking out the time to work on those goals. So if you want to see a video of some ideas or workouts that I'm going to start trying, because I want to do weightlifting and toning for my lower body, go ahead and drop a comment below, and then let me know if you're interested in that type of video, and I'll go ahead and share some of that information with you as we, you know, go on this journey together to get our health back, because I'm bringing sexy back. Yeah. But anyways, so I want to go ahead and get into today's video. So I'm going to use some of my basic makeup palettes, go ahead and get myself together, and then come back and show you guys the setup of the photo shoot. Again, I don't know kind of where I'm going with it, but I'm going to just let my juices flow of my creativity, show you my ups and downs, and kind of how I just get things done. if you want to do a photo shoot for yourself, this is definitely the video you want to tune into because it's definitely DIY, budget friendly, and you can do it yourself because who wouldn't want to feel sexy on Valentine's Day? You know, just giving body. You know, it could be a gift for your husband, or you know, if you excuse me, if you just ever wanted to do a lingerie sexy type vibe, do it. It is such a, for me, it's like a self-care thing because I love, like, I'm falling in love again with my body. So with that being said, I'm just stepping out and doing things that are different, and I encourage you to do the same thing. So I always wanted to be a model when I was growing up, but I kind of threw those dreams to the side, self-sabotage. So now I'm just getting back in the groove. And I'm using all my talents to work together for the, you know, so I can make some of my dreams come true, at least from the base level, you know? So again, thank you so much for tuning into this video. Let's go ahead and get ready so we can come back with the look and get dressed. Alright, so here is the makeup look for the photo shoots. Get into it. Nothing too much. I want to try a ombre red look. Kind of like how it turned out. Oh. Alright. So I'm going to go ahead and comb my hair, put my clothes on, then we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, so I am ready for my photos. I don't know how I feel about the makeup and the hair yet because of the lighting in this bathroom. It's really horrible. This is my guest bathroom and I'm downstairs. So I'm gonna show you guys like how I kind of got my station set up, but I'm gonna go ahead and put my pajamas on. So let's put those on. Okay, so I put my jewelry on. I changed all my jewelry. So I got this watch from Shein. I absolutely love it. And then I changed my wedding band to my silver one instead of my gold one. I got this from Rainbow. I got the pajamas from Rainbow. It's the top and the bottom. You guys be able to see that. And I had changed my ankle bracelets out. I couldn't find my other nose ring, but that's fine. But here it is. What we're going with so far. I just gotta do my nails and then I'll start the photo shoot. So let's go. Alright, so here's kind of what I'm working with. I'm gonna go ahead and get this going. And I'm excited. So I hope you guys are enjoying this. So let's get into it. Alright, so at this point I realized that my phone wouldn't let me screen record while I was vlogging, and it did not record me setting up my backdrop before I sat in front of it. So here I was just trying to get in the frame, didn't realize it was recording like this, but basically I turn my music on, I get in my zone, I dance, whatever vibe I need to have in order to take my pictures. That's what I do. So I was feeling real TLC creep right here, so that's what I'm doing while I take my pictures, just trying to get in the zone. As you can see, I did do my nails, and I'm just playing with the camera and the equipment and the lighting. So I attached some of the photos at the end, but I do apologize again for the behind the scenes not working properly. As you can see, my little issues, technical difficulties. But thank you so much for tuning in to another video. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you like the pictures at the end. Go ahead and drop a comment and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll be sure to catch you in the next one. Bye.